I like to skate. I think that's all. 'Cause I want to get really good at skating.
It's a fun thing. It's not a girl or a boy thing. It's fun.
Can we have something as we mess up? I am totally washing this off. Yeah, are you? Yeah, I'm just doing 2 nails so I don't get bored. Cool, I got water and look. I didn't mess up. But first time I did. I got mine perfect. Except not perfect. Can you do mine? I'm messing up. I want to do the same as yours. Like the green in the middle? Yeah. Okay, I just messed up with my green, so I have to wipe it off. Okay. I'm just
Too much pink.
Okay. I'm gonna wipe my hands.
See, look
I'm messing up a lot. Pretty cute, this pink one. It looks like it's ugly, but it's not. See, look at what the pink one does. I love Mom. Bye, Sierra. Love Colin, love Dad. I wear this one sometimes. Okay. And this is my sword. Yeah. Hi. Stand up. I like to do tournaments. I'm the champion, but I'm hideous. Okay? Okay. And my other friend. Yeah, I made it. It's kind of hard. No, it's actually really easy for me. How do you do it though? Made it.
The reason I don't like the pink helmet posse the most is because one of them is my little sister, and little sisters and big brothers don't go well together.
Yeah, if I could, I would grab like
A rocket launcher or something, go into the princess world and blow up all the castles. That would be pretty cool to me.
Yeah, that would be cool to me too.
How about
I love that so much. I love every castle.
I also wanted to say one thing too about the pink helmet posse. You don't have to wear a pink helmet. It's just a gender identifier. You know what I mean? So it's something that if you're a girl and you skate and you wear a blue helmet or a black helmet or a yellow helmet or a green helmet, it's still cool. You'd still hang out.
I love that they're girly and they're into boy sports, you know what I mean? Because it just proves that it's not a boy sport anymore. It can be girls, boys. I mean, the girls are in tutus skating and they are girly skaters. They're not really tomboys. I mean, and I think that's the best part about it. It's just showing you that cute, you know, just like anybody can do it.